Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mama Beach. I'm here today to do an exciting Coach unboxing, and these are all items from the Coach retail store, not the outlet. They recently had a really great sale for Mother's Day. They had 30% off, tons of items. Other items they had 15% off. Then there was a couple that you could combine the 30 and the 15% off, which was crazy. And then in addition, Rakuten, my favorite cashback website, was offering 15% cash back on top of these sale prices. So I just couldn't pass up this kind of sale. There's a couple different bags that I'd kind of been eyeing, so I decided to pull the trigger so I can see them in person. And you'll soon see why, because these are all such Mama Beach bags. You will not be surprised what I picked out. So let's get right into opening this and seeing what I got. It came in an enormous box. I mean, just excessive, really. So you can see the Coach logo inside, and then they have the paper here with the sticker. And I might put this down on the floor because this is going to be crazy if I'm trying to do this. Okay, I wrestled it down to the floor. Let's get the first item out here. It is in a pretty small dust bag. You can see it is the satin dust bag, which means this is not from the 1941 collection. And what I picked up is the Charlie bucket in the smaller size. I believe it's the 21. Yep, and this is in sand top, and it has the signature canvas for the handles and strap. So the reason I picked this up is A, I really want to do a comparison video between this size and the original size Charlie bucket that I have, and B, I've been getting a lot of questions on my Charlie bucket video, which I will post in the comments, or sorry, in the description box below, asking me what color it is, because it doesn't look like Coach has this color anymore, and that seems to be correct. So the color that I have is Beechwood. So I was interested to see how this top color, which they seem to have replaced it with, matches up to the Beechwood. So you guys get a sneak preview here, but if you want to talk about this in more detail or see a video comparing sizes and colors when it comes to Beechwood versus top, stay tuned. I will definitely be putting together a comparison video, but that's a really cute size. I mean, if you want to wear it crossbody, I feel like this is a much better option than that big original size Charlie bucket. So definitely something I was interested in checking out, and I had a lot of people asking the question about if I'd seen the 21 yet. Let's grab a next one here. Okay, this one was a little bit random, but something about it really spoke to me. Also in the satin dust bag, which means it is also not from the 1941 collection. Actually, I don't think any of these were, which is kind of unusual for me. So this is a Hobo style, and it is a beautiful purple color, which is what stood out to me. It has the C chain detail that they're putting on a lot of their styles right now, which I think is really cute. Let me see if I can get it closed. I might already be seeing an issue here. So it has this C chain, which you can kind of use as a charm. It dangles down in front of the bag. It can also double as a strap to make it a little bit more fancy. Then you have a leather strap, which is completely detachable, which is why I ended up getting this one, because when I saw that this wasn't permanently attached to the bag, I was like, yes, they did it again. They finally understand what I'm looking for. It has a back pocket. I'm not sure if my phone's gonna fit in here. It feels a little snug just because the leather is more structured. And then it also comes with this long crossbody strap. So I'm kind of interested to check this more out off camera, play around with it and see if I think it's a practical style or not. I really liked the vibe it had. Of course, I love the color because you guys know I love purple, but I wasn't sure if it would be practical in person in terms of what it can carry, how it looks on the body, and I really wasn't sure about this closure, and I'm already seeing that this may be an issue. The magnet is just so weak. There's no way it'll ever stay closed. So anyways, this isn't a very popular style. I haven't seen a lot of YouTube videos about it. I haven't seen a lot of people asking about it. But if you're interested in seeing a whole video on this bag, please leave a comment below so that I know people actually want to see this bag. If I don't get a lot of comments, I'm probably just going to play around with it myself, decide if I want to keep it for myself, and then you'll never see it again possibly because I'll just be using it. So yeah, if you want to see a video on this style, if it's one you've been curious about, definitely leave a comment below so that I know people are actually interested in it. Otherwise, I won't bother making a video. All right, the last but not least is this guy. And this is kind of a wild one, but just something about this style I thought was really cute. So God, it escapes me the name for this one. So I hope the tag is in here somewhere. Here we go. The color is Pollen, and this is the Whip Stitch Laura, L-O-R-A bucket, okay? So it's peppled leather, and it kind of reminds me of like a Neo-Noe a little bit. It's just your standard cinch bucket bag that a lot of different designers do. I thought it was interesting because it had the outside pocket, and it also had this whip stitch detail. It had the side tassels. You guys know I love a tassel. I liked that it had two different strap options. The interior is a contrast, so it's finished on the inside, also peppled leather, no fabric, which is really nice. I actually think all three of these are finished leather on the inside. There is no fabric interiors on any of these three bags, which is really great quality, because I know it's more expensive to do that than to just slap a piece of fabric on the inside. And then of course you have the drawstring closure. So I was interested to try it in person and see, is this gonna stay closed or is it not gonna stay closed? Can I fit my phone in this front pocket, or is it useless? You know, these are all questions that I had. So once again, not a super popular style that I've been seeing a lot on the internet, not a super popular style I've been seeing here on YouTube. If you're interested in seeing a whole video on this drawstring bucket bag, please post a comment below. Otherwise, I probably won't make a full video on it unless a lot of people want it, because I don't want to waste my time making stuff that you guys don't want to see. And let's check the receipt here so I can give you guys some prices. So the bucket bag, I paid $208.25. That's before the 15% cash back from Rakuten. For the Hobo purple, the official color name is Boysenberry. I paid $245. And then for the smaller Charlie bucket 21 in the top, I paid $192.50. Once again, I got an additional 15% off on all three of these purchases by using Rakuten, which I always link in the description box below because it is the best way to save money for websites like this. I will say I've been getting questions about them collaborating with outlet websites and also other discounted websites. They normally don't. I think for outlet websites and like websites like Costco and Sam's and stuff, the margins are just so tight already because they're already discounted. They don't collaborate with Rakuten, but for, I think Nordstrom Rack is on there, pretty sure. And some of the other big department stores are, and they can sometimes run great sales like Saks and Neiman's. This is how I've gotten a lot of money off buying Saint Laurent items, doubling down on a department store sale and using the cash back in Rakuten. So can't say enough good things. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Like I said, if you're interested in seeing full videos on any of these bags, please comment below. If I get a lot of comments, I will definitely put together videos on them. But if not, probably just going to be a simple unboxing for this one. I will put together the Charlie bucket video comparison for you guys coming up in the next couple weeks. And as always, thank you for your support here on YouTube. If you have not subscribed, I hope that you will. I do tons of videos about different kinds of handbags, different brands, different styles, comparison videos, reviews, unboxings. So if you like that kind of stuff, I know you'll love my channel. And I hope you will join me for my future videos. All right, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.